Welcome to another lesson by YourTechVision.com. Dr. Denise Sam Robinson here to give you a heads up on how to actually set the defaults on a Windows 10 machine. So most of you know that you hit your start key. I will tell you the talking software commands as I move through, but I'm not going to have it competing with my voice. So you hit your start key and you type in default. Everybody knows this, default app settings, and you hit enter. And then you tab over and you tab through and you've got your web browser and you go ahead and hit enter on that and you go through your options. Well, lately we just did this massive update, massive Firefox update, so they don't even give it here as an option. And even when you set it, you might hit your start key and type in www.deli.org and it will still bring you to Edge. So just because you set it here doesn't necessarily mean it will actually open as a default. Most of you probably know that. So let's hit escape and I want you to continue to tab. Even resetting it, that won't be enough either. You've got continue to tab through and you're going to have choose default apps by file type. You'll need to go there. Choose default apps by protocol. You need to go there. And you need to have set defaults by app. I'm going to start there and hit enter on set defaults by app. Okay, now a whole list of programs come up. Now just so you understand what's going on here, so I'm going to go back to a student work because this happened to her continuously. Now what most beginners do is they will actually see a link and they'll control shift and they'll select it. They'll copy it, they'll open their browser and they'll paste it into the URL with an Alt-D. You can actually bring up your links and instantly go to all these links. You can also hit your applications key on it and hit O. But let's face it, insert F7, any place on any document or anywhere will instantly take you there. And of course, if I do that and I say open hyperlink, Edge is the default on Windows 10 and it always wants to go there. Now, Edge has an incredible feature now. Of course, it works flawlessly with JAWS. But what is really nice is a reader mode, Control-Shift-R, and it instantly changes it to reader mode, so it gets rid of all that, what I call crap, that is all the way around that. So I'm just going to Control-Shift-R and go back, and then Alt F4 and close out of Edge. So that's just a side note. Let's go back to your defaults. So now I'm going to go ahead and tab through all of these. So you're going to go through all of these options and you can see Firefox is way down there, as is Edge. You hit enter on this and then you can tab to manage and spacebar. And you can see I've already changed one. That first option at the top, which is Firefox right now, was Edge. And I've changed most of them, but I want to go ahead and go down. I want to tab down to the next one, hit enter, and then you go down and actually choose. So you just tab and hit enter, and you move that into the position. So all my protocols, whether they're .htms or XHTs or FTPs, they're all going to open in Firefox, and I've got a couple more to do. So I'm just going to tab down here and hit enter, and then of course it automatically changed my HTTPS URL also. That's right below that. You can also get here through your control panel, and then you can do a search on defaults. So now I'm going to go ahead and Alt F4 out of there, and now let's go ahead and open our link. So applications key, O to open. Because I have my talking software off, and here we are. Ta-da! We are in Firefox just like we want, and the reader mode is slightly different in Firefox. It's Control-Alt-R, and beautiful. Looky there, we've got perfect text, and it gets rid of all the quote-unquote crap surrounding it. So that's truly how you actually change your defaults to act as you want them to act. And then of course you can change it to Chrome or Opera or anything else that you want. But Firefox just happens to be incredibly accessible with talking software, but so does Edge now. So it's not going to be so bothersome to have it open in Edge. Okay, I hope that helped.